Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to take a look at the Hotbox and why it's something you should really explore and learn how to use. Because once you learn and understand the Hotbox, it will help you be extremely efficient in Maya. In order to speed up your productivity, Maya has placed a lot of the menu functionality of Maya right at your mouse. Now there are two ways to do this. One is called a hotbox and the other one is called marking menus. Now we're going to start off with the hotbox. All we have to do to activate this is to hold down the spacebar, and when we do, this menu comes up. And this menu is basically all of the options that we have along the top of the scene. So in addition to just the modeling, rigging, animation, FX, rendering, all of these different menu options are available under the Hotbox. So here's my file, edit, and create menu right here. In addition to that, we have our mesh tools here, which are active. We also have things such as rigging and rendering, so all of the menus are right here. Now in addition to this, we also have an option here for recent commands. So we can scroll through all the things that we've just done and repeat commands. This is great for modeling if you need to do things over and over again. If I hold down my spacebar and go into my Hotbox, I also have controls that allows me to turn on or off menus. So if I go to animation here, I can show or hide animation. So I click that off. Animation goes away. Show animation. Click it on, it comes back. Now one more thing about the Hotbox is that you can change your view, as well. So if you click on this Center Maya button here, you can change from, say, a perspective view to a right view, to a back view, to a bottom view, and back to perspective. So you can actually change your view. Now another way to change views is to hop out to what's called the quad view. So instead of holding down my spacebar, I just tap it and I go out to a quad view. And then I can move my mouse over the view that I want, tap my spacebar again, and that view comes up. So all I have to do is tap, move my mouse, and tap again. And I can easily change what viewport I'm looking at. Now in addition to the Hotbox, we have what are called marking menus in Maya, as well. So if I right-click, you'll see a different menu comes up. Now this menu will change depending upon what you have in front of you, or in other words, what's selected. So if I select this polygon cylinder, I can right-click here and we can go into different types of modeling modes. So if I right-click here and I go into vertex mode, all the vertices of this show up and I will be able to reshape it. So if I selected these, I could move those around and reshape it. And then if I right-click again, go into object mode, it goes back to editing. Now this marking menu also has a lot of other options. So if I right-click, I can go down here and we have all of these different options. So for example, I can assign different materials here. I can go into all sorts of other menu options that apply specifically to this object. And then I also have some options here for a selection. So I can select everything in the scene. Or I can deselect everything in the scene. So again, you have a lot of options right there at the mouse. So go ahead and become familiar with the various Hotbox options as well as marking menus. We hope you will like it. Let us know your opinion. If you have any questions, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support, and guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.